Hey, this morning guitar tutorial is Let Everything That Has Breath Praise the Lord by Redman. Play in the key of E. So it's a very simple keys that I'm playing is in E, Esus, C sharp minor, A. But we play it in an easy way, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So your fingers should be here in the 9th fret and in the 7th fret. So in the number 2 and number 3 and 4, making that sounds. And then next you're gonna do this. Get rid of your pinky and then put your middle finger on number 4, which is Esus. And then you're gonna move back to this shape again, 7 and 9, move both to fret number 4 and 6, which is C sharp minor. That's the sound that you're making. And after that, you're gonna move all the way to the 2nd fret, only these 2 fingers here. Here, A. So, you play in the E, Esus, C sharp minor, and then A. Next, what we have is the pre-chorus. Pre-chorus is F sharp minor. Well, usually you can browse for F sharp minor, but you can just play it simple like this in the key of A in here. But you can put your middle finger on top. So number 1, number 3, and number 4. That's F sharp minor, and then you go to G sharp minor, move 2 fret to the 4th. That's G sharp minor. So it will go all the way to F sharp minor, G sharp minor, F sharp minor, G sharp minor, F sharp minor, and then A. So starting with this. Everything that has breath, praise the Lord. So, E, let everything that Esus, everything that C sharp minor, everything that has breath, praise the Lord. Okay? Praise you in the morning, praise you in the evening, praise you when I'm young and when I'm old. Praise you when I'm laughing, praise you when I'm grieving, praise you every season of the soul. If we could see how much your power, your might, your endless love, then surely we will never cease to praise. Everything that has breath, praise the Lord. Everything that has breath, praise the Lord. And then the second lyrics goes like this. Praise you in the heavens, joining with the angels, praise you forever and a day. Praise you on the earth now, joining with creations, calling all the nations to your praise. So E, Esus, C sharp minor, A. Back again, E, Esus, C sharp minor, A. F sharp minor, G sharp minor, F sharp minor, G sharp minor, F sharp minor, G sharp minor, A. Oh, the strumming pattern. It's like this. So I guess it's down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up. Okay? So okay? Easy way. Let everything that has breath, praise the Lord. Let everything that has breath, praise the Lord. If we could say how much you're worth, your might, your power, your endless love, then surely we will never cease to praise. Let everything that has breath, praise the Lord. Well, this is the very first guitar tutorial. I know it's not easy for the very beginners, but I'm also a beginner. So this is the thing that I learned so much. So enjoy the first video. We'll post some more in the future. God bless ya!